Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to make my ultimate avocado salsa. This avocado salsa is the better called guacamole meat salsa. My humbly request click that red subscribe button. Chunky avocado citrusy vinaigrette, so refreshing guys. You guys must try this recipe. Amazing for appetizer. All we need is 3 avocados, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 lemon, 2 spring onion, 1 clove garlic, 2 green chilies, garlic salt, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander, half teaspoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon avocado oil. Now I'm going to chop all the onion to the small pieces, and I'm going to add 1 cup water to let it soak. This is important to take all the strong oniony flavor. Next, we're going to take all the seeds from the tomato and chop fine as you can. Now I'm chopped the green onion and chilies. Now I'm draining the onion from the water. This is important to take all the excess water from onion. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make citrusy vinaigrette. I'm grating 1 garlic. It's about half teaspoon of grated garlic. I'm going to show you guys the perfect measurement for this recipe so you guys can have a same flavor what I have today. Next, I'm going to add half teaspoon sugar, one teaspoon garlic salt, and 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and about 1 teaspoon chopped green chilies. You guys can add any type of green chili, jalapeno, habanero. It depends how spicy you guys want. Today I have a Thai green chili, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon avocado oil, and I'm trying to mix all the vinaigrette nice. Now I'm going to add chopped onion inside the vinaigrette. It's about 3/4 cup of chopped onion and about 1 cup chopped tomatoes. Now I mix all ingredients with the vinaigrette nicely together until the vinaigrette coated with the onion and tomato. Now guys, I'm showing you guys how to cut chunky pieces of avocados. First, I cut 2 pieces and take out the seed out. I slice the avocado inside the skin and scoop it out with a spoon. It's about 2 cup cut avocados we need for this salsa. Avocado inside onion, tomato and vinaigrette mixture, and try to combine all together. Do not mash it, this avocado salsa, and try to fold it each and all coated nicely with the vinaigrette. Guys, the avocado salsa is ready guys. It's delicious, smells so good, lemony and garlicky flavor. It's amazing appetizer for the party, and it's best topping for the grilled fish, grilled chicken and grilled shrimp. Guys, you guys need to try my recipe, and please leave me a comment in the below. This is amazing avocado salsa and just delicious guys. I'm going to try. It's just so good. Look at the color, refreshing, so citrusy flavor, creamy avocado, garlicky, just perfect guys. So it's mouthful explosion flavor guys. Guys, please click that subscribe button and don't forget, please click like, share and subscribe. Thank you. You have a wonderful day.